Hey guys, welcome to Digit.n. Today we have with us the Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury. Before opening, let's take a look at the box itself. On the sides you see the specification of the mouse, and on the other side you see like the included documentation or whatever, the content of the box. At the back, you see the features of the mouse, which include an optical gaming sensor with Delta Zero technology, a high-speed fusion engine, and 8 programmable buttons. Now, let's open up the box. Inside the box, you have the mouse itself, a user guide, and a safety, compliance and warranty information. Now, coming to the mouse. This mouse weighs 108 grams without the cable. It's got the standard left click, right click, and the scroll wheel. Besides the left click, you see the 2 additional buttons which can be customized via the Logitech gaming software. On the sides, you see the side buttons like every other gaming mouse. Other than that, you see the DPI increment button and the LED indication. The either side of the mouse has a rubberized texture for a better hold. The DPI increment button hits a maximum DPI of only 4000 DPI. However, it's got extremely good sensitivity. The Hyperion Fury combines an optical sensor featuring Logitech Delta Zero technology with their exclusive Fusion Engine hybrid sensor to enable tracking up to 500 inches per second. This is faster compared to other high-end gaming mice which tracks around up to 300 inches per second. Normal gaming mice make use of optical sensors to keep track of their movement. However, when making sudden movements, it loses track, thereby resulting in loss of accuracy or consistency. Also, the fact that this mouse has got a 1 millisecond polling rate ensures that your movements will be communicated via USB at fast speeds without any latency. At the back end of the mouse, where your palm rests, you see the Logitech gaming logo with an LED indication. So that's it guys, that was the unboxing of the Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury gaming mouse. Thank you for watching and goodbye.